A remarkable new twin study has uncovered compelling evidence linking muscle strength in later life to the diversity of the gut microbiome, providing fresh insight into how intestinal health may play a surprisingly central role in mobility, balance, and overall neuromuscular resilience. By studying twins, who share significant genetic and early life environmental similarities, researchers were able to isolate the influence of the gut microbiome from other confounding factors, revealing that variations in microbial communities may help explain differences in strength, endurance, and functional independence among older adults. These findings are particularly encouraging because they point to actionable ways to maintain mobility and quality of life as we age, highlighting the gut as an unexpected yet highly influential partner in musculoskeletal health. The study involved hundreds of twin pairs aged 60 and older, assessing hand grip strength, gait speed, balance tests, and other indicators of muscular function. Stool samples were collected to analyze microbiome composition, including bacterial diversity, abundance of key functional strains, and production of metabolites such as short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs. One of the most striking discoveries was that individuals with higher microbiome diversity consistently demonstrated greater muscle strength, more stable balance, and faster recovery from fatigue, even when controlling for diet, exercise habits, and body composition. Conversely, twins with less diverse gut microbial populations were more prone to declines in mobility and experienced slower neuromuscular responses during functional tests. A key mechanism underlying these effects involves SCFAs, particularly butyrate, propionate, and acetate, which are byproducts of microbial fermentation of dietary fibers. These metabolites influence systemic inflammation, energy metabolism, and neuromuscular signaling. Butyrate, for example, has been shown to reduce chronic low-grade inflammation, which can otherwise impair muscle protein synthesis and accelerate sarcopenia. SCFAs also support mitochondrial function, providing the energy needed for muscle contraction and recovery. By nourishing the microbiome through fiber-rich foods, older adults may enhance SCFA production, indirectly boosting muscle strength, endurance, and coordination. The study also uncovered surprising links between the gut microbiome and neuromuscular function. Certain bacterial strains appear to influence neuromuscular junction health, motor neuron signaling, and even proprioception, which affects balance and fine motor control. Twins with higher levels of these beneficial microbes performed better on balance and stability assessments, suggesting that microbial diversity may play a role in preventing falls and maintaining independence. These findings highlight that the gut-muscle connection is not purely metabolic, but involves complex interactions between microbes, nervous system signaling, and muscular function, offering a holistic perspective on healthy aging. Diet and lifestyle again emerged as powerful modulators of these relationships. Participants with diets rich in prebiotic fibers, fermented foods, and plant-based proteins had more diverse microbiomes and correspondingly better strength and balance metrics. Regular physical activity, particularly resistance training and aerobic exercise, further amplified these benefits, creating a synergistic effect between lifestyle habits and microbial diversity. The research underscores that maintaining a robust, varied microbiome is both feasible and practical, achievable through accessible dietary and activity interventions rather than expensive or invasive treatments. These findings carry profound implications for public health and individual empowerment. Muscle weakness and reduced balance are leading contributors to falls, injury, and loss of independence in older adults. By highlighting the microbiome as a modifiable factor, the study suggests that interventions aimed at gut health could be integrated into broader programs for mobility preservation, fall prevention, and overall functional longevity. Simple measures such as including beans, lentils, oats, leafy greens, and fermented foods in the diet can have cascading benefits, improving muscle strength, enhancing balance, and supporting the nervous system. Importantly, the study provides an optimistic and empowering message. Even in later life, individuals have agency over their neuromuscular health. Microbiome diversity is influenced by dietary choices, lifestyle habits, and environmental exposures, meaning that small, consistent adjustments can have measurable effects on muscle performance and stability. Unlike interventions that require specialized equipment or medical procedures, gut-focused strategies are widely accessible, low-cost, and compatible with everyday routines, allowing older adults to actively support their mobility and independence. The research also points to exciting future possibilities. Personalized nutrition and microbiome-based interventions could be developed to optimize muscle strength and neuromuscular function on an individual basis. By mapping an older adult's microbiome, clinicians could identify microbial deficits linked to weaker muscle performance and recommend targeted dietary or probiotic strategies to cultivate beneficial strains. Such approaches could revolutionize preventive care for age-related functional decline, creating highly personalized, science-backed pathways to maintain strength, balance, and independence well into advanced age. In conclusion, the twin study offers a groundbreaking perspective on the relationship between gut health and musculoskeletal function. Microbiome diversity is emerging as a key factor influencing muscle strength, balance, and neuromuscular performance in older adults. By nourishing beneficial gut bacteria through fiber-rich foods, fermented products, and healthy lifestyle habits, individuals can actively support mobility, reduce fall risk, and preserve functional independence. These findings reinforce a positive and proactive approach to aging, even later in life. Practical daily habits can strengthen the gut-muscle axis, promote neuromuscular resilience, and help older adults maintain strength, agility, and quality of life, demonstrating that the gut is not only central to digestion but also a powerful ally for a sharp, agile, and independent body and mind.